Hi everybody, it's Brian with the LiftMaster team, and today I'm here to take you through a few things you need to know when you're out in the field installing a new LiftMaster Security Plus 3.0 garage door opener. Like our legacy openers, the new line brings the same trusted high quality and reliability you're used to from LiftMaster. So let's quickly talk about what matters most to you when you're out in the field. We've worked hard to ensure the hardware install experience is as close to what you're currently familiar with as possible, particularly on the Plus and Premium models. In fact, 98% of the install process is the same. Let's talk about what's not changing first. First, we want to assure you that everything about the T-rail remains unchanged. You'll still use the same T-rail as you do today, and the installation process of the T-rail with the new Security Plus 3.0 GDOs also remains the same as today. Next, just as you're used to, remotes and control panels that come in the box with the new generation openers will be pre-paired, saving you time on each customer visit. Now, let's get into what you should be aware of when you're installing the new generation openers. First, we're excited to share that the new generation Plus and Premium category openers will come with something you've been requesting, a longer 6-foot power cord. Next, be aware that connecting the rail or chain to the operator will be a slightly different process than what you're used to with the legacy openers. The GDO will use a chain spreader, and the chain must be wrapped around the chain spreader to be installed correctly. The new generation basic openers have a smaller chassis, so the mounting brackets are 7 inches wide on the new generation basic openers, compared to 9 3/4 inches on the legacy basic openers. So please adjust the existing hanging brackets if you are replacing a legacy LiftMaster garage door opener. You will not need to replace the brackets entirely. You'll only need to make a width adjustment at the ceiling to match the chassis width of the new operators. This will take you just a few additional minutes to complete. For the new generation Plus and Premium models, you will not need to make any adjustments. The chassis width on the new Premium and Plus openers is the same as today. Next, the new basic models have an easily removable light lens, but be aware that only 60-watt max equivalent LED light bulbs are recommended with the new openers. To install a new light bulb, pull the light lens straight out, insert the bulb, and snap the lens back in by pushing it straight in. While Plus and Premium cameras swivel, the basic unit features a fixed camera. This addition means cameras are now standard in all new LiftMaster openers. Just remember, you'll now need to remove the protective lens cover on the camera before installing. Finally, on new basic openers, we have 2 things you're already used to: battery backup and the Learn panel. These should look very familiar to you. On legacy basic openers, these used to be on the end panel. On the new generation basic openers, you'll find those on the side panel instead. On Plus and Premium units, you'll still find these features in the same location as legacy openers. But regardless of model, the learning process will be identical to what it is today. As I already mentioned, the remotes and control panels that come in the box will be pre-paired with the opener they came with. If you need guidance on how to pair additional remotes and keypads, please check out our YouTube channel for how-tos on our 3.0 accessories. Generally speaking, new Max and Universal accessories will be compatible with legacy and new openers, while 3.0 standard accessories will only be compatible with the new 3.0 openers. Please note that legacy 2.0 and earlier accessories will not be compatible with the new 3.0 openers. As always, we want to make sure you're comfortable with the new generation of GDOs, so your next install goes as smoothly as possible. In this video, we took you through what's different about the installation process, but we encourage you to check out the LiftMaster YouTube channel for more helpful content on our entire 3.0 line. And of course, if you have any questions about the new generation openers or the new accessories we introduced last month, please reach out to your sales rep or to our technical support team. We're here to partner with you